Now, right now, I'm going to show you a version of one of the stretches that I have in my program that can quickly help relieve low back pain and sciatica. So you can try it for yourself and see how great it feels. Now, I'm going to demonstrate this one down on the floor, but the great thing about this stretch is you can also do it in bed. I love to show you lots of different variations of these stretches because I know that all of our bodies are different, and especially if you have back pain, sometimes the last thing you can do is get up and down off of the floor. So feel free to do this one in bed. All right, in order to do this stretch, you're going to come onto your back and you're simply going to cross one of your ankles over your opposite knee in a figure 4 position. You'll reach between your legs and draw your opposite knee in toward the chest. Now just let that top foot kind of hang. Now this might look like a very common stretch. Perhaps you've seen people doing this in yoga class or at the gym, and this is a great stretch, but if you don't know this one slight adjustment, it's not going to do anything to help low back pain and sciatica. So now I'm going to show you the one secret adjustment that will help you get that relief. And it's very simple, but all you're going to do is you're going to take your knees and you're going to roll them over a few inches in the direction that your bottom knee is. So right now I've got my left knee on the bottom, so I'm going to roll my knees over a few inches to the left, and essentially I'm rolling some extra weight over onto my left hip. This is drawing my right knee over, and then I'm really getting that stretch in my right hip so I can stretch out the piriformis muscle. When the piriformis muscle is tight, that is what can aggravate the sciatic nerve and cause that intense shooting pain down the leg as well as numbness or tingling. One other thing you want to make sure as you do this stretch, you want to hold it for at least 30 seconds or else it will not be effective for helping your low back and sciatica. So hold for 30 seconds, and even if you just have the pain on one leg, on one hip, always be sure to do this on both sides to make sure that you're keeping your body nice and balanced. This is just one of the many ways that we can help ease low back pain right from home without having to rely on expensive treatments. Now, I also show you lots and lots of other versions of this stretch in my program. In fact, the very first video shows you a way to do the same stretch, just target this low back and sciatica muscle that you can do sitting in a chair. So you don't even have to get down on the floor or in your bed. You can even do this in your chair at work.